Hello and welcome. Are you tired of getting ghosted? Are you sick of being flagged? Are you fed up with posting for hours on end without knowing if the ads will even show up on the site? Well, I just want you to know that this little CL problem that you're having is completely over. Flagproofer will get 100% of your posts to go live. And then once they are live, it will keep those ads live by blocking any and all flag attempts made by your community and competitors. It will drive your competitors insane. Now, before I start, I want you to realize that I am one of those people who get ghosted when I post. If I did not use the Flagproofer right now, 0 ads would go live. The plain fact that I'm able to sit here and make a video showing you 100% of my ads going live is no less than a miracle. That's what Flagproofer is. Now let's get started. First thing you do is open up an auto poster. You can use a phone verified email, which I recommend, or a brand new email. Choose your category. We're going to go with the for sale section. When you open it, you'll notice that most of the information from your last post will still be in there, saving you a lot of time. You still have to choose your category in some cases. So I'm choosing cars and trucks. Select the postal code, make sure there are numbers in there. It's very sensitive to that now. You'll notice I have an email in there. That one email will get me 5 posts. I selected the city as Orlando, and I have 5 titles. The titles have to be slightly different each one. The description can be the same for every post you do. Fill out all the necessary fields. Okay, in a moment I'm going to add more emails. One more, so we can post another 5 ads. Now I'm adding my second email. Make sure when you add an email you select the site as well. So for example, on the left side we have one email that's doing 5 posts to the Orlando cars and trucks section. On the right side I have a second email, and I have to select the city that it's going to, or it will not post those ads. So you select the city. The left side we have Orlando, and this side we're going with Manhattan. So we'll have 5 ads for Orlando and 5 ads for Manhattan. Once you select it, it will turn green, and that's when you know you're done and it's done correctly. There you go. Now it's time to start posting. By the way, if you put in a third and fourth email, you'll get 15 and 20 ads. For every email you enter, you get 5 ads. You can post up to 20 ads and up to 4 different cities, or you can choose the same city each time. Let's get started. Start. Are you sure? Absolutely. As you'll notice, it'll start posting them at a fast speed. Just finished one ad in Orlando. By the way, you shouldn't touch the mouse while the auto poster is posting. Like I'm doing. Don't do that. Just leave it alone. It can make your screen bigger, but that's it. Don't work on something else while this is operating. Okay, it just posted 2 ads, and I'm not going to make you sit here through 10 ads. You get the idea of how that works. It's very fast. It sends these posts to your email. And that's where the email processor kicks in, and I'm going to fast forward us there now. Okay, so it's about to do its 10th one now. It sent 9 posts to the email already. When it finishes posting the ads, it'll tell you. You click OK. Then you open up your email processor. Fill out the correct information, and then you want to go to your email. As you can see, all of our posts were sent to the email, and the email processor will accept the terms, grab the URL, and open up a Flagproofer for you right now. And if you want to learn how to have all of your posts get sent to one email, check out our video, Yahoo Tricks. Okay, so the reason I'm bringing you here is so you can see that ads were sent to the email. And you want to make sure that the posts are the first thing at the top here. If someone else emails you, then you need to get rid of that, because when you stop the email processor, your Craigslist postings must be at the top of the inbox. Okay, let's get started here. You want to put in your Yahoo email and password. Most of the rest of the other information should already be filled out for you. The Flagproofer file goes there. You click Browse if it's not in there, and open it just like you would do a photo. Click Start. It goes into the email, grabs the first 5, and starts processing it, and opens up a Flagproofer. Now let me pause it here. Folks, this is why we're all here. This is why you're on the site. The Flagproofer is the crown jewel of the batch. The email process, the auto poster and the email processor, they're great. They're time savers. Can't live without them. But without the Flagproofing technology at the end, the auto poster and the email processor are useless. No one has the Flagproofing technology except for us. This is the part that gets you past the ghosting. This is the part that protects your ads from flaggers. Flagproofer is this little box here. Let's continue. So we're going to want to stack them up in the corner. I'll show you to do that. You put it in the corner, drag it over into the corner, stack it neatly there. You'll see it says waiting to go live, and it gives you a go live time. And then here, I'm circling it right now, you want to put a 2. It waits 1 minute like it just did, and it starts to process the second one. And it opens it up. It's waiting to go live, gives you a go live time. That's about an hour and a half from now. This one's about hour and 40. This is an hour, and this is an hour and a half away. Put your 2 inside of there. The 2 goes here. Just after it starts, it's fine. And you stack it up in the corner. Now understand something. Right now the Flagproofer is not just sitting there doing nothing. At this stage, it's getting you past the ghosting problem that that most people have, where the CL site ghosts you, makes it look like your ads are going live, but the ads never go live. Right now, it's getting you past that. Once it reaches the go live time, that's when the other function we have kicks in, and it starts to protect you from anyone who tries to flag you. So it's doing two things. It's getting you past the ghosting problem, and then once the ad is live, it's keeping your ads live, protecting them from your flaggers. If anyone flags you, the site flags you, or community and competitors. It waits a minute or a little bit more, and it continues to open them up. I'm also going to fast forward through this to finish these 5, and then we'll show you how to do the next 5. But I want to speed this up for you so you don't die of boredom. Okay, so it finished 4. We're back. It finished 4, and it's about to process the 5th one. It opens it up. You add your 2, and you pull it over to the right. So now you successfully opened up and posted 5 ads on CL. You want to leave it there. You don't want to touch them. They're working right now, getting you past the ghosting. You have another 5 ads that you want to do, but you don't want to do them immediately after you finish doing these 5. Wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops, but don't do it right away because you get that you're posting too rapidly message and it stops you for a little while. You don't want that. So make sure you wait 5 minutes before doing the next batch. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to close the email processor form that you had open. You can leave the auto poster open. It's just in another window. And open up a new email processor. This is after waiting 5 minutes. And we simply press start because all the information is still in there. I'm sorry, actually we don't press start. The first thing you want to do before you press start is go back into your inbox. Make sure that the 5 used posts are deleted, or you can put them somewhere else. It really doesn't matter. Get rid of them because remember I said you have to make sure that the new posts are at the top of your inbox. Then you go back to your email processor and press start to start the next 5, and it will do them just like it did the last 5. Now with this one, the email's not phone verified, so look what happens. Your account, meaning your email, is not phone verified. You need to do this first before processing. So you press OK, and then you enter your phone numbers. If you don't have those, ask us. We can help you out with PVA numbers. Wait for the number to call and get the code. Now it usually does that with the first one of a new email. Then you phone verify it, and the next 4 will open with no problem. Now again, if I used a phone verified email, it would never have stopped and asked us to phone verify it. It would have just opened up the Flagproofer like it's doing here. Now again, I'm going to skip forward till it's almost done with doing these 5, so we can get to the good part when it shows up on the site. So it already processed 4, and it's about to process the 5th one now. And there it is. Go live time. Go live time. There, changes and add it to. Okay. Now, what you want to do is stack them up. 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Some people, I like to show the go live time so I can see it. Some people like to stack all of them on top of each other and stick them in the corner. For now, you should stack them all on the left and all on the right, and then close out everything, the auto poster and email processor. Now, as you can see, we have 10 Flagproofers open, waiting to go live. Each and every one of them is getting each post that it has in it past the ghosting problem. Once the go live time arrives, then it's going to protect the ads from flaggers. Also, once the go live time arrives, the words waiting to go live disappear and the software starts functioning and protecting your ads from flaggers. And you're going to see how that works now. Now, and it's going to take a couple hours for this to go live, so I'm going to come back when our ads are live. We can check them out on the site. See you then. Welcome back. I have it paused so you can see this page, but as you can see, the waiting to go live time words are gone and all the softwares are working. It's about 2.5 hours since I paused it last. All of the ads are now live on the site, and the softwares are doing their job. You see this one here, I have it paused, but it says clearing flag attempts. And that says that, and it says blocking flags, and it says all different things as it's working, as it's protecting your ads. Now I'm going to unpause it now. We're going to go straight into Orlando and see the ads that are posting there. See the software is possibly working with checking. See, it says checking, secure, that type of thing, and it's just telling you what it's doing as it's working. Now we're in Orlando. Let's refresh here in the cars and trucks by owner. Okay, and there we go. It's 2 ads, 3 ads, 4 ads. Let's check the next page, see if there's any more. The plain fact that my ads even show up again is amazing. Now here's an ad. 2, 3, and 4. Let's check how they are now. See that they're visible to the customers. Check New York. This is the New York section. New York has a lot more cars in it, so it might be on the 2nd or 3rd page. I'm getting close. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm pausing it. You notice how I tell you to put your telephone number in your photo and in your title. The reason is when the software is protecting your ad, and it's in a second you're going to see what I mean when it's deleted by author, it's protecting your ad. When that happens, you want the customer to at least be able to see on this page your phone number, your website, or your email address in your title and in your photo. If you don't do this, you're going to get a lot less customers. Let's continue. So I click on the ad, and it's visible, just like it should be. Click on another ad, and it's visible. That's great. And we have 5 ads live right now. Click on another one, deleted by author. Now we're going to stop here. What is this? Why is it deleted by author? Well, that's the magic. The post committed suicide, so the flag couldn't hurt it. It disabled the post and waits for the flag risk to pass, and then it reactivates it and makes this post visible again. I'll show you how that works. Refresh the page. Still deleted by author. Still being flagged. Still being protected. The software doesn't want to release it yet, but now it does. Now it reactivates the post and it puts it back there. So now if a person clicks on it, it's visible. Check another post. Deleted by author. Okay. Refresh it. It's visible again. When someone flags you, the software disables the post, waits for the flag risk to pass, and then reactivates it. Now you might say to yourself, you might be one of those people, I don't want my ad to be disabled, just deleted by author. I want it to be visible 100% of the time. Well, boo-hoo. Your only other option is flagged for removal. Ask yourself this question. Wouldn't you rather have your post visible 70% of the time and not visible 30% of the time, but it lasts all day? Or 100% visible for 10 minutes and then it's flagged off the site? It's an obvious answer. And I'm going to shrink it down here so you can really see them all on the page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's New York. Let's shrink down Orlando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Refresh. Click on one of them. New York. I'm sorry, that was New York. So New York has 5. And Orlando has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the new round came, Craig added new people to the top of the list. And you know how every 10 minutes it changes? Well, it's just updated, and now we have 5 ads. Click on that one, it's visible. Click on that one, deleted by author. Okay, it's being protected. You should be happy when you see that it's deleted by author, not unhappy. That means your software is working. If it didn't say that, it would say flag for removal. Refresh it, still no problem. Still deleted by author. Customer can still see on the main page here your photo with your title and your phone number and whatever contact info you put. This one's deleted by author. Refresh it, and now it's back in business. See, click on it, it's back. This one was deleted by author. Refresh it, that one's back now. That's how it works, folks. If you're getting ghosted, if you're getting flagged, Flagproofer is the only software on planet Earth that can help you with your problem. Really appreciate you watching our video. I know it's long. If you're getting ghosted, if you're getting flagged, pick up the software. It's going to change your life. You can post as many ads as you want. Don't worry about IP changing. Don't worry about clearing cache. Phone verified emails and our software is all you need to get whatever ads you want up, and they will stick. Now, did you know, I heard a little secret last night. You know the Craigslist little elves that they have running around, constantly building walls to stop you from getting your ads live and to bring you down, those little elves? Well, I heard last night they were busy as hell building walls every 10 minutes. So you know what we did? We sent the Flagproofer in, and this is what happened. Broke those walls straight down. Enjoy the rest of the video. A couple more seconds. Thanks, everybody. Have an awesome day.